What's good, YouTube? It's RPU here, and I'm back again with another video. Everything I say in this video is speculation. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. Shout out to the SFIN holders. I think you're gonna like this one. So I was checking out Oryy earlier today, right? And it's something that we need to get familiar with. It was highlighted by Ēnosys, formerly as FLR Finance. So I'm on the website trying to understand it, and basically what I understand it as is that it is a very secure wallet to store your FLR and Songbird related assets. Let's just go over it real quick. So this is Oryy.io. Oryy, the most trusted platform to manage digital assets on the FLR network. Customize how you manage your crypto assets. Multi-signature features. Multi-signature, I believe, is definitely going to become more and more important in the future, as like hackers, scammers, and AI gets more advanced and more technical. It may come a point where two-factor authentication is not even enough, so shit, in the future you may need 3, 4, 5-factor authentication. You don't know. So I think multi-signature features are going to play a very important role in the future. But it says for teams, fully customize how you manage your company crypto assets with the option to require a predefined number of signatures to confirm transactions. Require multiple team members to confirm every transaction in order to execute it, which helps prevent unauthorized access to company crypto. So you can't this would definitely enhance more security and protection over digital assets, like for individuals as well as like corporations. It would prevent one person from going rogue and like running off with the whole bag, because like it said, in order to execute every transaction, it would require like a signature from every member of the party. It's kind of like, you ever seen like in a movie where like the president has the football and to launch, to push the button, he has to have like each general has like a key that they have to put into the nuclear football or a code in order to authorize it. So it's kind of like that, It's like an extra step of security, Let's continue. For individuals, fully customize how you manage your personal crypto assets with the option to require multiple devices to confirm transactions. Hardware wallets, EOA-based wallets, paper wallets, or a combination of them. So yeah, you can have two-factor authentication. Let's say like you got your Bifrost wallet. You could use that as a method of authentication. Then you have the Google Authenticator app as like a second signature. And then you can possibly have your hardware wallet as a third signature. So it's like, if somebody was to get access, let's say like somebody was to get access to your Bifrost wallet, right? And you have the multi-signature feature enabled, if they get access to one, they wouldn't be able to just like, send or execute a transaction without authorization, because they wouldn't have the other signature key. So it's like an extra layer of protection. So, I definitely I'm definitely going to open a wallet with this, and I'll be testing it out in the future. But guys, check out this part right here. So it goes assets. It says Oryy supports Songbird FRC20 tokens, FRC 1155, and FRC 721 NFTs. You can also see the fiat value of your assets. Now check this out. You have Songbird, Rap Songbird, XFi, SFIN, and Pangolin Songbird listed here. But look at the price of SFIN. $14,565,560.04. And that blew my mind. I'm like, damn. For SFIN, $14 million. But look, it's in this example that they have right here. It shows that they have like 124.12511 SFIN. And that amount of SFIN in this example was worth $14,565,004. And so when I seen that, I was like, man, that's wild. Because when SFIN first dropped, it was at $1 million. So it got me to thinking, if 124.12511 SFIN is worth $14,565,560.04, how much is one SFIN worth? So I did the math. I'm about to do the math for you. Let's bust out the calculator. Look, 14 million. I'm gonna redo it. 14,565,560.04 divided by 124.12511. That would mean that the price of SFIN would be $117,345 and approximately 80 cents in that example. Now, why would they put that as an example if they didn't expect the price of SFIN to go that high? Do you believe that SFIN will reach 6 figures once again? Oh man, if SFIN goes back to $100,000, I could use FLR loans to like borrow stable coins and like drop a down payment on a house if I wanted to. Or whatever, especially like if the price was like stable like that in the hundreds of thousands. Oh man. And on top of that, like the SFIN and the XFi holders will be receiving passive income from the APY cloud. Oh man. Let me know what you think about all this. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. This is RPU, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.